Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today we have a product that was sent to me by a company called Quntis. They are 53-foot indoor-outdoor lights. They're weatherproof, summer, winter, rain, shine, snow, doesn't matter. They have 15 bulbs and one spare bulb, and these are IP65 bulbs, if that means anything to you. And they're 1 watt LED, which is 90% more efficient than incandescent. All right, so these are 53 feet in length, but the really cool feature on this is actually you can put 25 strings together in one outlet, and that's 375 lights. All right, that's pretty impressive. And they are dimmable. The brightness is 2700K, which is like a warmer, more comfortable glow. Really good for accent lighting, still usable lighting, and just really nice, classy ambiance mood sort of lighting. And they call these like a vintage bistro light. And they're actually dimmable, which is really cool, but it doesn't include a dimmer, which is unfortunate. So inside the box, it's supposed to come with the string lights, 5-foot extension cord, and the lights have a hanging loop for easy installation, and it includes 16 cable ties. So let's crack this open and have a look. So what do we got here? So it comes with the extra bulb. And it comes with the casing to go with the bulb, so that's neat. I'm just going to set that in here for now. Comes with your cable ties, a little bit of instructions, a really small piece of paper, which is nice. I don't like to see a lot of waste. And then just the lights. Let's have a look at these. Oh yeah. Oh, these are going to be nice. These are going to be so nice. Okay. Wow. That's really cool. Okay. Yeah. So they're well sealed, which is really awesome. You can feel how shatterproof these are. Look at that, hey? That's one tough bulb. And then you have... So we're going to drill through. This is what's holding the soffit up. So we're pulling the light over, and we're just going to make a hole for it. Okay. I'll put a cable tie through. Put the light up. Cable tie through the mounting hole on the light. Tighten the cable tie till the light is, up there, but not like super snug, because it'll make the light move to a kind of an odd position. I'm going to cut off the excess cable tie. Alright, so the cable ties that came with this were a little thin, and they broke easily, so I've upgraded. I bought these 5.5-inch 100-piece black cable ties from Home Hardware, and these are Home Pack cable ties. Alright, and that's them right there. And they're black, they're a little thicker, a little stronger. So I'm using those to mount the lights. And the drill bit I'm using is 13/64, which makes the smallest hole that these cable ties will fit through. So 13/64. And then I have my lights, and I've just mounted the first light, and I'm just working my way along. So I make it so it's sort of tight, but not too tight. Find the center. Drill. Now, I'm wearing safety glasses, and I'm keeping my mouth shut and trying to stay back away from the debris, because the debris is going to fall down on you, okay? I've got all my stuff in my pockets here. So, put the cable tie in. Put the light up. Cable tie through the mounting hole in the light. Put the cable tie together and just pull it until it's tight. trim off the excess. Fun. Easy to mount. These are really good. Lots of fun. So I'm going to go around here, and then I'm going to start on the fence. So to mount it on the wood post that runs down here, I'm going to use my cable stapler. And yes, I have a cable stapler. Surprise, surprise. And make it nice and neat. There we go. Good. Pretty. So for here, I'm going around the bar of the fence. I've got a chain link fence around the pool. And we have gone to, these are 7 7/8, so basically 8-inch cable ties. Also from Home Hardware, also black. Black will blend in with the wire and the fence. Okay, so just run your cable tie through the mounting hole, bring it in, pull it around. Once you've got it looped, you pull your wire tight and then tighten your cable tie. And I'm going to have my cable ties kind of facing down here. So I don't want them to be in a spot where people are going to catch their hands on them because they can be kind of sharp. Okay. So it's not quite dark out yet. It's 10 after 9. It's starting to get dark. And this is what the lights look like around the pool. I'm standing up on the back deck here. So we're just got the pool open. We haven't really set anything up yet. I just put these lights up. So here's our solar blanket here. And the slide. I was thinking about putting lights on the slide. That would have been cool. And how they reflect in the pool. The pool's not quite perfectly clear yet, but it's getting there. Anyway, so that's it. These are the lights, and I'm pretty satisfied with them overall. It gives you a nice soft glow. Just enough light that you can see everything, and it gives a really nice mood, you know. But if like the kids are actually going to swim in the pool, I would turn on these other lights. We have a couple of these lights here, which are much brighter, so you can see better in the pool. And I actually need to add one down here too, because there isn't one. So maybe in the future. Alright, so the overview of the product. So they sent me a 53-foot length one, and I decided that the best place for these lights would be around my pool, so that's where I put them. And of course they weren't nearly long enough because it's got to go all the way around, so I had to order another set. And they come in two sizes. They come in the 53-foot set, and they come in 101 foot. So they were a little longer than, just slightly longer than what I needed. So I coiled them around a little bit and kind of hid them behind the shop so you can't see them around the pool. And you can't see that coil around the pool, and that worked out really nicely. They look great. So I'm really happy with the way they look. My wife loves them. They call them Bistro lights, so they're like an accent light. They're a very classy looking light, very elegant, and they've got a nice warm glow for them, and they look really good at night. You can see them in the daytime if you do have them on, so you can turn them off, because obviously you don't need them in the daytime. The only issue I had with these was they come with these little cable ties, and anyway, the cable ties I used were about 4 times the size. So the length was fine for my application. You can get longer and shorter cable ties. Cable ties are super cheap, so go out and get yourself some different cable ties. And the spacing between the lights, like right between the lights, not center to center, but right between the lights, is exactly 3 foot. So you've got 3 foot of cord in between each light, and that's nice spacing because it's not overly done, and there's enough lights to actually make it look good. Like pretty much everywhere you are, like anywhere you hang them, they're gonna look right. You know, they're not too close, they're not too far apart. It looks like it's good, strong construction. I didn't break anything while I was installing them, and I wasn't careful at all because they were kind of tangled up, and I had to wrap them in around and through the fence a few times just to get them around the corners and things. And yeah, nothing broke. Everything looks great. All the lights worked. They come with spares, so the 53 foot came with one spare. The 101 foot came with 2 spares. So that's it. That's my review. I really like the product. I think it was really cool, and I'm hoping they'll send me some more different stuff because I've got some other places I could put lights. All right. Thanks a lot for watching.